Hello everyone, nice to catch you on another Gmail tutorial. And on this tutorial we are going to see how we could schedule an email instead of sending it instantly. So let's say over a weekend you're going to be busy or you're going to be out of town and you need an email to be replied. You know the reply, but you need it sent out in a specific time. So let's say you open up an email, just type it to who it needs to go to. So let me put it at info at cornerstone solutions. Okay, schedule mail, and this is scheduled for later. And instead of hitting the send button, we just click this and see a schedule send button. So there are some presets that are offered by Gmail. You could either pick one of them or you could just go the custom option of selecting the date and the time. And let's see. So let me give it at tomorrow at 10 a.m. Schedule and send. And now you would see scheduled for tomorrow at 10. So you click your scheduled emails and you would see it's scheduled but not sent. So as soon as the time hits 10 a.m. tomorrow, or in this instance, or the scheduled time of your email will be sent to your recipient. So no worries about looking for to reply an email for later. Now you could use the schedule send button to send an email for later. And also if you're out of town, it's always good to set up an out of office reply, an automatic reply if you're not going to be able to reply if you're on vacation. So go to settings, scroll right down to the general tab, and there's the last option here is out of office reply. So say, hey, I am not in town, I will get back to you on Monday. So you could say that, and you could set the duration. Okay, when do you want it to be sent? So this weekend from 7th to the 8th I'm not available in town, so any email that comes in would be replied. If you only want it to be sent to your contacts, you can check that option, but it's always better to tell everyone that you're not in town, especially if you're having a business, in case that they expect a reply. And save changes, and any email that comes in between this time frame would be replied automatically with this email. It will still be in your inbox, you could always reply it later. This is just to say that you are not in town and don't expect a reply from me. As soon as you get it, you will have to wait at least till Monday, and once you're back on Monday, you could just click your out of office reply off and you will be back to your normal settings. Hope you use your schedule send and out of office in your emails, and as usual, leave your comments and feedbacks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the future tutorials. See you on another one.